All right, now we're looking at a dresser from the latest container, and Bob's going to talk about the rails.
Got a few drawers that were sticking. Part of the problem is the cutout on the side of the drawers. I'm not sure what it's being made with. Usually we do these with a router, but they're quite rough and they're up and down and they're catching on the side rails. So what we're having to do is take them and sand them out until we can get these flush. Then they slide a lot better. We still had other situations where they were sticking, and what we found was we had to remove the little nail in the front here. Now these were epoxied down, they don't really have to be, just the one little nail is enough. But it's because these were not centered right on, it was jamming up and against the side, and you can see how it was rubbing badly up against in there. Once we freed this up and I move this over, put it back down again, it'll fit okay. The other thing is you're making them really nice and tight, but maybe too tight. If you can leave, you know, like a 1/16 of an inch all the way around, because these things are going to swell and shrink with the difference in temperature and humidity that we have in Canada. So they don't have to be near as tight. I mean, you've got a really nice tight finish, but it's too tight for here. You could leave at least a 1/16 all the way around. As far as these center rails and the way you've got them supported in the back, everything's fine. You can actually, the way you've got them supported across in the back here is fine. They don't have to be near as tight. Again, just one little nail at the back, one little nail at the front, that's it. It's just used as a guide to keep them from going sideways and cocking in there. Some of the side rails we also found were a little bit warped and sticky, like this one here we had to sand. This one here we had to sand. Just a little bit too tight a finish for the moisture movement that we have. I think that's about it.